In this video, I will show you how to exit Steam Big Picture mode. Now, as you can see, I've currently just got the normal version of Steam opened, so what I'm going to do is just quickly jump into Big Picture mode, and then I'm going to show you how you can exit out of Steam Big Picture mode. And here we are, as you can see, I've now enabled Steam Big Picture mode. Now, to exit out of this, maybe you just want to go back to the normal version of Steam. All you need to do is come down to the bottom left-hand corner and click onto Steam menu just down here. From the menu that comes up on the left-hand side, come and click onto Power, and from the Power menu, you're going to see an option to exit Big Picture mode. Give that a click, that's going to exit out of Steam Big Picture mode, and you will now be back on the normal version of Steam. Now, if every time you start in Steam, you're finding that it does start up in Big Picture mode, but you want to start it up in the normal version of Steam, then what you want to do is come up to the top left-hand corner, click on Steam up here, and on this menu you want to come and click onto settings. Now once you're in your settings, if you come over to interface in the menu on the left hand side, give that a click, and you should see an option in here which says start Steam in Big Picture mode. If you have this enabled, make sure to turn the switch off, and every time you now start up Steam, it will just start up as the normal version of Steam. So that is how to exit Steam Big Picture mode. And if this video did help you out today, then make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more simple Steam and tech tutorials. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.